Hello guys, welcome to this channel Noel Babu. Now today I want to go to the discussion about the macro topics. So not losing the time, I am going directly to the components of hackers. If any doubt occur, then ask me in a comment. Okay. Then components of hacker. Do you know what is the hacker? Do you know what is the hacker? At first, vector means vector quantity, which is vector quantity. Now I am going into the topics. The the process of splitting. The process of splitting. Splitting means this one happy substances after split it moves nearby this small substances and it moves nearby these small substances. This is big object. After thrown, it is split into two particles, two objects, just like as a nuclear blast. When we throw the splitting into the various components. Process of splitting into the various components is called resolution of vector. It's called what? Resolution of vector. This is main topic, so I give there on the arrow. Resolution of vector. Vector. The process of splitting into various components is called resolution of vector. Resolution of vector into rectangular component. There are two components of vector. This is I want to go into the depth of this. Now listen here. The components of vectors. The components of vectors are x component, y component, it is now let me see this, and if any doubt arises, collect it and ask me into the comments. Now I am going to rub it the vector, so I am rubbing this. Oh. Now students, let me go into the topics of component of vectors. To make clear concept, I will draw the component. I will draw it by figurely. Now let me to draw it. And this, what is this? Oh. Now see this. This point is called y-axis, and this point is called x-axis. Let me to draw the imaginary line from this. There draw to this line, and this will be rough it, and this line goes to here for x-axis. Then we have to do this is y. Why? Because this is x-axis and it is the point of O. Origin. We start from origin, so it must be O. and and this is the line of x-axis. So this point be A, and it goes around here. It goes around here, around here, around here, and this is perpendicular 90 degrees. Both are right angle triangle. If you see this AOY, this is also one right angles, and OAX also one right angle triangle. So this is AO. Now from the point of this to this is point A about y axis. So y should be, and this point goes around here. So it is along the x axis. So this here distance becomes a x. Due to the x axis, it becomes x. And we know if we found it, then it is x axis. And then now let me to write this into whole vector form. OA is equals to a vector modulus is equals to a, and this vector is making 90 degree. Why? Both are right angles. There also a vector consists, there also a vector consists. So it must be 90 degree. Okay, and a vector modulus is equal to, and with is 90 degree with along with x-axis, along with y-axis, and along with x-axis, both making are 90 degree, because it is also right angle triangle. It is also a right angle triangle. In x-axis, it is also right angle triangle. So along with x-axis, to prove it, we can take both axes, but I preferably choose two x-axis. So x-axis, and theta is equals to tan inverse ay upon ax, ay upon ax, ay upon ax, ay upon ax, to take point of a along x axis. Okay, theta equals to tan inverse, and a vector is equals to ax I vector plus a y I not j vector, and I vector I cap and j cap. Do you know the meaning of cap? This is cap. I cap and j cap are unit vector. They are the unit vectors along the x axis and y axis. I'm saying in this video, axis and axis both are same, but I like to say in axis, but you if you have some reason to tell axis, then tell axis also. No matter, I said only axis. So don't go on to the topic. Let's see this clearly to understand. Okay, x-axis and y-axis respectively. A is equals to a vector modulus is equals to under root of ax square plus ay square. Stop. Okay, normal. Now student, to clearly prove this. Now student, to describe you detailedly about the component resolution of vector, I already draw this, and to prove it, there is no space in whiteboard, as a whiteboard is very small. So I am gonna to draw it figure. Okay, so now see at the whiteboard. Ax is equals to a cos theta. We have to take cos theta, because I want to draw this figure very small size, some things are remaining, so I draw it. And to clearly understand, go to the figure as I have already discussed.
कति बज्यो